Yo, what's up, guys? So for those that are wondering how I wired up these DRLs, it's pretty easy. For not having any instructions, it's pretty freaking easy. So the yellow wire goes to the pink, okay? On the right side. And the yellow one on this side goes to the purple, okay? And the red goes to the blue, And then you could just put the ground right here, and that shit turns off when you turn the car off, turns on when you turn it on. Freaking turn signals work. The emergencies. I still gotta connect the fog lights, but I'm gonna just wait on it a bit. I kind of like this little look it has, but that's pretty much all you guys have to do. I got a little wire tap, little, auto zone for the win. That's it. There was no instructions on aerolution.com, so I had to figure it out. I freaking went on the civic forums, and I found a diagram for the connector for the headlights, and it told me what wire is which, and that's how I was able to figure it out. But yeah, I had hit up some guy, and he was like SoCal something. They install parts, and he was telling me 180 just to do that. I did that in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, bro. I saved myself $180 and like 40 miles of gas.